Hello everyone, I am Priyanka and in this video I am going to discuss about some static GK. First topic is National Park. On the left side, name of few national parks are given, and on the right side, name of few states are given. We have to match. First one is Murgavani National Park. This Murgavani National Park belongs to Telangana. Telangana has two more national parks. One is Kashu Brahmanand Reddy National Park, and second one is Mahavir Banastali National Park. Next, come to Mulem National Park. This Mulem National Park belongs to Goa. This Mulem National Park is also known as Bhagwan Mahavir National Park. Next, come to Balpakram National Park. Balpakram National Park belongs to Meghalaya. Meghalaya has one more national park named Nokrek National Park. Next is Guru Kashidas National Park. This is newly formed national park. This national park belongs to Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh has two more national parks. One is Indravati National Park. This national park is named after Indravati River, and the other one is Kangir Valley National Park. Next topic is currency and country and capital. Nowadays, many countries are in news, so it is important to know about the capitals. First one is Iran. Its capital is Tehran. It is a Middle East country. Next, Turkey. It is also a Middle East country. Its capital is Ankara. Next one is Spain. This country belongs to the continent Europe. Its capital is Madrid. And last one, that is Switzerland. It is also belongs to Europe, and its capital is Bern. Now, next topic is capital currency. First one, yen. This yen is currency of Japan. Japan. If we talk about Japan, it is an Asian country, and its capital is Tokyo. Next one is won. Won, is currency of Korea. Korea means there are two countries, that is North Korea and South Korea. The capital for North Korea is Pyongyang, and the capital for South Korea is Seoul. Next one is yuan. Yuan is sometimes confused with yen, so it should be noted that yuan is currency from China. This one is also known as renminbi. Next one is rupiah. It is quite similar to our rupees or rupee, which we used in India, but this rupiah belongs to Maldives, and its capital is Male. Now, next come to important days. The first one is World Tourism Day. World Tourism Day is observed on 27th September, but in India we observe Tourism Day on 25th January, so it should be noted. Next one is World Hindi Day. World Hindi Day is celebrated on 10th January. In this case also, in India we celebrated this on 14th of September. Next one is World Teachers Day. World Teachers Day is observed on 5th of October, but in case of India we celebrate Teachers Day on 5th September, that is to mark the birthday of Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Next, World Youth Day. It is celebrated on 12th August, but in India we observe this on 12th January to mark the birthday of youth icon Swami Vivekananda ji. Now, next topic is military exercises. Military exercises are nowadays a very common question in competitive exams. It should be remembered carefully. First one is Indra. Indra is in an exercise India conducted with Russia. Next one is Mitra Shakti. Mitra Shakti is an exercise which India conducted with Sri Lanka. Next one, Surya Kiran. It is with Nepal. It is between Nepal and India. Last one is Maitri. It should not be confused with Mitra Shakti. Maitri is conducted with Thailand. So this is the all. Thank you.